This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel. I said tutorials are back. Tutorials are back, and today I want to start off with a very simple tutorial. No, it's not a digital marketing tutorial, I know, but the playlist is digital marketing, branding and business. And if you want to do some branding on your Word documents, for example, if you want to have a certain consistency in fonts and you want to set a default font, this is how you go about it, and I want to show you that today. A very small quick tutorial. So if you want to set a default font so that you don't have to keep changing your font when you're doing your documents here, you can just do this. If you have the old Word, you can go to format then font, but if you have the newer versions, you can just right click right here, right click and go to font. Then here you can set your font. I personally like Cambria for my documents, so I will select that. Cambria regular 11 is okay. I'll select that. The font color is automatic, that means it's black. If you want a specific color, you can also set that. You can set the underline style. For example, if you want a single underline, double underline, a thick underline, a dotted, and so on, you can set that as well, so that when you underline something, it picks from the style you've set. And then the rest not that important, because you don't want to strike through everything. So this you can do when doing the document. So yeah, that's it. You can set your font style and font size here, and also the color if you want a specific color. And as you can see, there's a preview right here of what that looks like before you save it. So what you do once you've selected that, you can set as default. That means all the documents you open come as Cambria number 11, for example, in my case. So you can set for this document only if you want that specific document only to have that font, or you can set for all documents. Like most cases, Word usually opens with Calibri, yeah, right here, Calibri 11. So you can set this for all documents and say okay. And as you can see, my font has changed to Cambria 11. And if you open a new document, see, it has come as Cambria 11, so that becomes your default. And that is how you set your default font and size on Microsoft Word. You can do this. It's an easy 1-minute step. Let me know if you guys would be interested in watching more tutorials about the Microsoft packages, Excel, Word, whatever you would like to see. I will do that if you're interested. Just leave a comment below and I will get to that. Now we will be doing our digital marketing tutorials every single Tuesday, digital marketing, branding and business tutorials every single Tuesday. Do stay tuned and make sure you have subscribed and hit the bell button to get notified when I put out new videos. But I will try and do them regularly every single Tuesday. So yeah, let me know if there's something specific you want to see in the tutorials, or if you want me to tackle a specific aspect of Word, Excel, anything you want to try, you want to learn, let me know. I will do that tutorial for you. Thank you so much for watching. Do give this video a very big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought of the video. And of course, if you haven't, why have you not? If you haven't, subscribe, support the channel so that we can grow together. Subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Adios.